Hello loveliest people of the world. Today's recipe is called Rafikanara. Why is it called? It's a Refika way of making pasta with this perfect thing called Erişte from Turkey, but you can make it with any kind of pasta, whatever you have at home. And the beautiful thing about it is the whole thing will take maximum 10 minutes with the ingredients that you can find everywhere. More importantly, it will taste like a posh, fancy restaurant pasta. What can you do more? This is actually one of my recipes from my oldest book. She is 15 years old. Like if you come to my home, Refika, I'm really hungry and I want something, a carb to eat. This is the recipe I would make. So direct.
Refika,
yes.
I'm very hungry and I need carb.
Okay, so in 10 minutes we're gonna make it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. Put the timer on. Okay, so everything starts with boiling water. I put it in, plenty of boiling water, some salt, and then 4 handfuls of erişte. I have 4 cloves of garlic. Yes, 4, not too little. I'm going to put some salt to it. It's been a while we didn't put a timer on. So, coarsely chopped, a lot of garlic. Come on.
I'll give you extra 2 seconds.
No. Okay. Thank you, Burak. Some olive oil gets in and the garlic gets in. Then together with it, about 3 handful of, this could be pine nuts. I used to do it with pine nuts. Pine nuts became very, very expensive. So I'm going to use walnuts. Walnuts is good because it has a distinct taste. And they're all coarsely chopped. The reason is because pasta is soft, we want some crunch. And this will increase the crunch. And we're gonna brown it a bit. And these nuts, when you brown, it increases the taste of umami and some hotness. I have 1 pepper. You can use flaked pepper, cayenne pepper, any red pepper that you have. But this one, because it's dry, it doesn't dissolve in the pasta. But it becomes like another ingredient that you taste when it comes to your mouth. This also gets in. And while this is browning, I'm going to prepare my feta cheese. Actually, this is beyaz peynir,
And don't
but
call it feta cheese, please.
Tamam, sorry about it. Greeks call it feta cheese, we call it beyaz peynir. It's slightly a little different, unfortunately, because of the EU laws, and I think in the United States as well, it's hard to find. It's sold only as feta cheese. And together with it, I'm going to use a bit of thyme. This is called actually in Turkey zahter kekik. You can use other types of thyme or oregano. And now we can feel the nuts in. At this point, it's time to add the pasta. This way, I am going to fry my beautiful eriştes. Because these are handmade, they don't look perfect, and I kind of like that. At this point, I'm going to add the cheese in. I am frying everything together, and as you can see, now the cheese are on their own and individually standing. But I turn the heat a bit more up. The pasta is frying at the same time, but when I add the water in, the cheese will melt slightly. It will become like a sauce. A bit more water in, and I continue stirring. Stirring helps to melt the cheese a bit and it becomes like a thick sauce. At this point, I turn the heat off, add my thyme and a pinch of black pepper, just a pinch. And now this is ready. And now I am running out of time, so...
Wow. Just on time.
Okay, so done. Yeah.
What do you think about your Clark Kent curl?
Mine. I love it. I brought seawater from Bodrum after I wash my hair, dry it a bit, spray seawater, actual seawater, and then I have these curls. I'll show you. I also put it in something like this and I also use it time to time.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Natural method of...
Exactly, with no additives, nothing. Okay, some of the nuts might look...
A bit burned, but
they are not, yeah. And I'm not that fat, guys. Those things are escalated on the videos. But as you can see how thick the sauce is, it's just pasta water thickened by this beautiful cheese's creaminess. And it's perfect.
I think this is one of your favorite dishes for me. Like a pillow.
This is not a pillow, this is more sexy. You have to taste it. So that's it. Hope you've enjoyed. If you've enjoyed, you know what to do. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share our videos. That's the most important thing. Best support that you can give. And also, please make it and share it with your loved ones. Lots of love.